Okay, let's go ahead and take the square root of both sides. Again, don't forget the plus or minus. When we do this, we get 5 minus 2x on this side. And over on this side, we have the square root, well, plus or minus the square root of 30. Let's see if we can simplify this 30. Let's factor it. 3 times 10, and 10 is 2 times 5. So this doesn't reduce. We need to go ahead and break the equation into two separate equations. One of those is going to be 5 minus 2x equals the square root of 30. Send that out. And the other one is 5 minus 2x equals the negative square root of 30. Now we need our variable by itself. We're going to subtract 5 from both sides, giving us negative 2x equals negative 5 plus the square root of 30. And now we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. And when I do that, I'll get x equals 5 over 2 minus the square root of 30 over 2. Okay, let's take a look at the other side. So now, again, I need to get my term with my variable by itself, so I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, giving me negative 2x equals negative 5 minus the square root of 30. Divide both sides by negative 2. And I have x equals 5 over 2 plus the square root of 30. So now I have x equals, and I'm going to put these back together just to show that you can. You can write these answers separately, or we can write it as 5 over 2 plus or minus the square root of 30 over 2.